Welcome to this tutorial on how to open downloads on Google Chrome on your PC, especially after the recent update. If you've ever found yourself struggling to locate your downloaded files, don't worry. I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, open your Chrome browser. If it's not already running, simply click on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once it's up and running, you'll be ready to dive into the next step. Next, look towards the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is the menu icon. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu that gives you access to various options within Chrome. Now, from this menu, scroll down until you find the Downloads option. Clicking on this will take you directly to the Downloads page. Here, you can see a list of all files you've downloaded recently, making it easy to find what you need. If you want to manage how downloads are handled in Chrome, you can revisit the menu by clicking those 3 dots again and selecting Settings. From there, navigate to the Download section on the left side of the Settings page. Here, you can adjust where files are saved and even choose whether you want Chrome to ask where to save each file before downloading. With these steps, accessing your downloads in Google Chrome has never been easier. Whether you're downloading documents, images, or other files, you'll have quick access to everything you've downloaded right from your browser. Remember, keeping track of your downloads is essential for efficient browsing and file management. So next time you download something, just follow these simple steps, and you'll be able to find your files without any hassle. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively.